Omukoti tubatwikirize kwate bishane by'omuramuzi arikushomera omusigazi ogw'emishango ye konka tutambwire twahika omu kyaro kya Ruhita Ruhinda ahiha neryabiire omu maka omwana ogwo ahari kutuura kandi nyina enkuru aida baraza w'emyaka 71 atutebiize ekyabiireho.
Mbwenu reba okunkurara kiro omusigazi ogwo kurara nanyangaraza mbwenu hatuba chance yabiireho bamukwasire atakaruga omu kyomuntu bamusiba emyaka ya defilement akana kanje akatahirira yakahamba omuntu mbwenu aho butsebuze nyine wakushobora kusiba dire kiwanyamba nanye nkagushigira n'umwana agira iki yayikorera nk'umwana wawe wa Uganda. Umwana wa Uganda hati no kwega kushikira ku murimo mbwenu hati naza kukora ki
akavugana nshasha anagiye kwimukana musanga sitamya kitanda ndari yanjanye tadere kinagawa yarabo kitenge cyajaja yasohora mu dirisa ndari nyasajaja
baraza nagira ngo omusigazi ogwo akaba nabaraza emiteme behanikire ngo kandi babire batakiriye ko kurya ngo kabahika omunda ahabwo kwabire nabetwarizaho
buri kwezi nananteganisa umwe kunkuba ndiye kunyongweshegire ntizabujya tukusimuka tuzabujya tundi kumuntu yayarabuka mpaho tindutarabera aranyereka ndi umuntu yayarabuka rutinda hati nkyehindura naranzya mu kindi kisenge ndeba omuntu ayemerire nimbuuza oryoha takwenda kugamba kigaruka enyuma kujwara nko waruga omu kitanda aigura orwigi akyashobora
nka TV West tugambireho na chairman w'entebe yo kubanza w'ekyaro eki Herbert Tumwesige nabamwe mu batuura kandi nibagira ngo entakimazire Akim atwira ry'enkozi y'ebihagaruka ruga kare
nimpamusiriza ogwo musango kuyagukozire ahabo kuba ariho evidence nyingi akabanza yatahirira omumaka g'abandi bo mukyara Gaudi tujyazayo ogwo mukazi yamukwatira omusyo yagaruka yaza owa Aida baraza nyine nk'ogwo mwana nawe ogwo yamukwatira omusyo yagaruka yaza ow'abaana ba Mary kamwana wa Charles tubasigaho abo bana nabo yabatahirira yagaruka yaza owa nakacwa jya Usina nabo yamutahirira
ko kwabe nazo mumaka g'abantu buri ncuro akarabo mu madrasa bakiza kumukwata kiruka karaba makabara hacuka kira kagaruka
kandi abana nibanyinjaga ngani yo kubakoze se
Akimo marangira asindikirwa harumanda kandi naza kugarurwa omukote 2023 by'okwezi oku 2026 omugando wabireho speaker w'ishengero lya Uganda kandi omunyabiragiro ambassador Francis Butagira yayihanangiriza abanya-Uganda okugumana bamarire emishango aheru ya koti Butagira yabigambira aha mukoro gwo kutongoza omwanya ogurabe n'ogukoresebwa kuherezamwe emishango aheru ya koti ningashi Alternative Dispute Resolution Center eyaburenge bwizo bo mu rurembo rwa Mbarara.
When you say you are seeking justice, do you achieve justice by you winning and the other person losing? For me, my definition of justice is this. Justice is a state of harmony between you and your neighbor.
This traditional way we are used to what they call adversarial, sometimes it leaves bitter pill. Even after winning, what is gone, the aggrieved is not happy, but the case is judged against her. So there is no room for reconciliation and shaking hands, which this mechanism is intended to do.
Omukoro gwo kutongoza enkoreji gwayitabwamwe abaramuzi baroya abashubuzi abanyadini n'abandi.
Is now a good guide for civil matters both at the lower courts and appeal level where parties consent to have their matters referred for mediation. I guess it's the same issue that the President of Uganda Society is now talking about, that you can even mediate on a matter where you're going on appeal. You can win, and it's okay, you won big, now can you come and talk? You understand? That is now technically allowed.
Shanjire twine challenge yo kugira ngo one ntutura mu omukoti no shanga umuntu watwara umushanga umukoti gwamara emyaka nkikumi no kugarura higuru otakafunire insharami ya koti nko muntu wa business business tugira ngo ogwire ne sente omushanga gwamara emyaka 15 omukoti oriyo no banja miliyoni 10 omyaka 5 ningi 10 zo ziba stachel sente.
Abandi bagambi bakura ha mukoro gubasima butagira and company advocates ahawo kugira okworekwa kutandikaho umwanya ogwo.
So nko kwijana na program age yo kugira ngo twongere kubunzya ejenjiri government eri kumuzya eyo kugira ngo tugari ko mukumara enshonga tutagire mu koti enjeri yo kutabaganisa abantu enjeri yo kutabaganisa abantu erimu emiringo mingi harimo tweta negotiation ndi umanya mu nyako twasa kusheta ki harimo tweta arbitration mediation and arbitration semiringo ejo nogira bamu mushango gwawe guhenderwa umunjeri kandi eriya hamheru.
Okurugera hari Judiciary National Court Case Census 2025 report Burenge bwizoba niyo yakabira umwihanga ryona okugira umwijururano gw'emishango mu koti. Kampala niyo yebembire n'emishango emitwaro mukaga 15 rukaga nkaga na munana kandi Burenge bwizoba bine emishango emitwaro na kanana 5 25. Gashakwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.